Hello, happy Monday. Dr. Ballman here at Health House Chiropractic and Clinical Nutrition in San Angelo, Texas. I'm a chiropractor and an advanced nutrition response testing practitioner. And I wanted to make a quick little video to let you guys know my recipe for the laundry detergent. We had such a good response, and y'all, it is so easy to do. So my ingredients, and I'll type this up so that you have it, and I'll post it in the comments. But I did want to make a quick video quickly so that you guys that are just gung-ho about laundry detergent can go and get it made as quick as possible. So it's super easy. Make sure you grab a pen and something to write with, write on actually. So what I do is I use a cup of washing soda. You can find that at H-E-B. If you're here out in West Texas, or most places in Texas, there's an H-E-B. You can check for that at your local grocery store. So a cup of washing soda. It's gonna be in the aisle with, typically with the laundry detergents. I also use a cup of borax, and we're gonna be talking more about borax later on, so stay tuned for that. Then I did a half a cup of baking soda, and then I like liquid laundry detergent, and so I used Dr. Bronner's Lavender Castile soap that's already liquid. Some people like to get the bar of soap, and you can do that. There are ways to make powdered laundry detergent, but I like to use liquid, so this is for a liquid recipe. But if you like to use a bar of soap, you can use that too. You're gonna grind that up. You can grate it, you can put it in your food processor, and then grind that down. So again, that's a cup of borax, a cup of washing soda, half a cup of baking soda, and then I did 1 cup of Dr. Bronner's liquid Castile soap. I like to use lavender, but if you're gonna use the bar, use 2 bars of whatever smell you like. You could use unscented, you could use there's citrus, peppermint, lavender, use whatever you like. And then the last thing that I use is I did about 20 drops of lavender essential oil. Essential oils are really great, and they have a lot of good healing properties, so I like to add that in. Plus they smell really good, so use your essential oil of choice. It can match or complement the Castile soap that you use. So what I do is I mix all of that into this really huge pot, like a stock pot, and I boil it with water because I want it to mix up really good. And then after I've got that all stirred up, then I pour it into a 5-gallon bucket and add more water. So you're gonna need like a really long spoon that's gonna reach the bottom of that. If it doesn't quite reach the bottom, you can always put on some gloves so that you're not getting that concentration of soap all over you. And then I fill my 5-gallon bucket up with more water. So I will say that what this does is it will separate a little bit. So anytime I'm gonna use my laundry detergent, I mix it up with my little scoop that I have, and it makes it really easy. If you're gonna use the bars of soap, you're still going to mix that in and make sure that melts down really well on the stove when you pour it in. Excuse me, I like to add my essential oils while it's still on the stove, so I get everything mixed up really well. Some people will do that as they're pouring it into the bucket and then mix it up. So that's super easy. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and please make sure you check the comments and also your emails, because I will be sending out this recipe in emails as well so that you have it. All right, everyone, have a great Monday afternoon. Bye-bye.